Hey you guys, it's your girl Maura, and you already know I appreciate you coming to kick it with your girl. So, of course, all you new people, welcome, welcome. All my ride or dies, I appreciate you. So today, I decided I wanted to share my really quick everyday routine with you guys because I've been rocking this a lot lately. Boy, you better be careful. I've been rocking this a lot lately because one, I haven't felt like just being beat to the gods. I don't know, I've been getting the most compliments ever, and I don't know, I feel like it's time to change it up. You know me, I don't like blending in, doing the basic thing. I feel like now, like super duper glam makeup, like heavy cake, you have got to be careful. But everybody's doing it now, and I don't like doing what everybody's doing. So I've been embracing my natural beauty and trying to keep things as natural as possible. I just want to, let you guys in on my little routine. It's really quick, simple, and easy for you. And as you can tell, I mean, it's minimalistic and simple, but still is just like, wow. I gotta show you how to do this quick beat. So here, let's jump right into it. And here we go, guys. So I basically did just about half of my face, but left some areas because I really just wanted to show you guys how effective less can be. I mean, you see that looks great compared to this side. So first I'm just going to take the MAC Pro Conceal palette, and I am going to take that top shade, which was NC45. You can also use the Studio Finish concealers. There's more shade ranges in there, but these are cool because you can mix and match with them. But I just pretty much applied it under my eye, and now I'm going in on that blemish on my forehead, that dark mark. And what I like to do is just pack the color on and really cover what I'm trying to cover, and then blend the edges out. That way you can't really see where it ends or begins, and it just looks flawless. So getting all that coverage on my chin there, you guys know I'm stressed out, especially lately, so your girl's skin's just been going crazy, but this method still keeps me looking like I am just popping, so that's why I love it. And hitting that little bump there on my nose, as you can see, it's very effective. My face looks great now, and now I'm just covering up some of the breakout scars that I had on my neck too. So again, blending is key. Then I just went ahead and applied some mascara. That is the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. I love it, doesn't clump, good clean definition, but it is buildable. So next I'm taking the Ambering Rose Blush by MAC. I love that, it's just so nice and warm. And I apply it to the apples and then just slowly kind of like blend it towards the back a little bit. It's kind of acting as blush, bronzer, and contour in a sense. And so taking that, I put it above my temples and a little on my nose. And if you missed out on the Missy Lynn palette, I am sorry for ya, but I had to cop that and support a sister, okay? And I'm just taking that gold highlighter out of the palette and applying it everywhere like I normally do, all the high points of my face to give myself some radiance. And then these things are so amazing. So it's Crystal Glaze Gloss by MAC, and this one is called Love Your Body. It was from the Work It Out collection, so it's no longer available, but I wish MAC would just come out with these things and leave them around because I love those. Also, this is the final step. So this facial rose water spray is amazing by Floristil Botanical. So I just let everything melt in with that. It keeps my skin hydrated and keeps me looking healthy and radiant, you guys. Well, all right, you guys, that is the end of the video. Leave me a comment, like it, subscribe, do all the stuff you're supposed to do anyway to show your girl some love and support, okay? So I can keep on making these videos for you. My special guest in the background making his cameo. Super quick, easy, and simple. If you are a minimalistic person, if you are somebody who just wants to get up and get out the door and is only allowing yourself 5 to 10 minutes of makeup, this will totally work for you. That is probably one of the greatest things that I have taken away from my time at MAC. Like, they show us how to achieve such beautiful, amazing looks that are so simple. And I think now more than ever, makeup is being like overdone and overanalyzed when you really don't need a lot to just look nice, fresh, and polished and healthy. You know what I mean? So I hope you guys like it. I hope it helps some of you out there. So that's it, you guys. You already know I appreciate you coming to kick it with your girl, and I'll see you in my next video.